Okay, so today we are going to be doing Unit 6, Lesson 6, the slope of a fitted line. So let's remind ourselves of some things that we've already done with scatter plots. Last lesson we talked about positive and negative associations. Before that we talked about outliers and line of best fit. So today we're going to be talking about the slope of a fitted line. Our I can statement, I can use the slope of a line fit to data in a scatter plot to say how the variables are connected in real world situations. I know you all probably don't really pay attention to that when I have it written on the board, but that's going to be the overall goal of our lesson today. So we're starting with 6.1, our warm-up, estimating slope. I want you to take 1 minute by yourself to estimate the slope of the line. So pause the video, take 1 minute, and then once that 1 minute is up, come back and we'll talk about it. Okay, so after, or hopefully you have already estimated the slope of this line, I want you to think about what points did you use to estimate the slope. So remember, slope is equal to change in y over change in x. So you could have used your x and y values from any of these points to help you calculate your slope. I'm going to show you this picture that shows a few different ways that you could have estimated the slope. So here's a picture that shows us 3 different lines. The black line is the original line that we were given. The red line is using 5.2 and 8.3 to estimate the slope. We can see that that's not a very good estimation because it's really far away from this black line. Does everybody see that? And then this blue line, it looks like we used 5.2 and -4, -6 in order to calculate the slope. That one's a little bit closer to the black line, so that could be a good estimation. And then we have our yellow line, which is comparing or using -4, -6, and 8.3 to calculate the slope. That one's also pretty close to the black line, so that would work as well. The big idea here is that we want to use points that are really far apart when we're calculating slope. When we use these 2 points that are very close together, we don't get a very good estimation of slope. But when we use points that are further apart, we get a better estimation of slope. Our line is closer to the actual black line that we are given. So that's a very important thing that you need to remember for today.